Hello dear fans. What is the role of enzymes in digestion? Enzymes play an extremely important role in digestion. They are produced by the pancreas, the glands of the stomach and small intestine, and the salivary glands. Partially enzymatic functions are performed by the intestinal microflora. Instructions. Step 1. In order for proteins, fats, and carbohydrates obtained from food to be used as building materials for creating new cells, they must be converted into simpler compounds. This function is performed by digestive enzymes. They break down complex components of food into simpler substances, which are then easily absorbed by the body. The health and life expectancy of a person depends on the correct functioning of the digestive system and sufficient production of enzymes. Step 2. Enzymes are divided into the following main groups: proteases, peptidases, lipases, carbohydrates, nucleases. Proteases break down proteins into short peptides or amino acids. Lipases break down lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. Thanks to nucleases, nucleotides are obtained from nucleic acids, and thanks to carbohydrates, simple sugars, glucose, are obtained from carbohydrates, starches, sugars. Also, digestive enzymes are produced by microorganisms that live in the human large intestine. Thus, E. coli helps in the digestion of lactose, and lactobacilli convert carbohydrates, in particular, lactose, into lactic acid. Step 3. Enzymes are not only produced in the human body, but also enter it along with food, primarily with raw vegetables and fruits. When food contains enough enzymes, digestion is greatly facilitated because the body spends much less of its own enzymes. Conversely, a lack of enzymes in food creates an increased burden on the body, forcing it to spend more energy digesting food. Heat treatment at a temperature of 118 degrees Celsius destroys enzymes in products, and they are initially absent in semi-finished products. Depriving food of enzymes by frying, cooking, braising, freezing/thawing, sterilization, pasteurization, microwave processing, conservation. Step 4. The high load on the pancreas and other digestive organs contributes to their accelerated wear and tear. People who constantly consume only thermally processed food, especially fried food, may suffer from flatulence, constipation, and diarrhea. They are at an increased risk of developing diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, obesity. Increasingly, these problems are experienced by young people. Those whose diet is dominated by fresh vegetables and fruits are more likely to maintain health and prolong youth. Thanks for watching.